Hey, Brandy, quick question for you. We are at this 3-day event, this workshop, talking about the belt method and a couple other things, but you were one of the people who implemented the strategy back in December.
Yes.
And right now it's May, so I'm just kind of curious what happened between December and May.
Yep, I actually put the strategy together the 27th of December, and I never got to bottom of funnel, just to be clear. Just life happened and stuff, got in the middle of that, but this is what happened. I spent $42,992.22 in ad spend, and I made $149,308.59. So
income's always great. What was the big difference that you saw when you started to implement this?
the big difference I saw was that every nine leads I was getting a sale. So my cost per acquisition dropped dramatically, and a lot of people would argue, well, you're spending more money, in ad spend, but really it was the opposite. Like, you ended up spending more or less as you built out the other pieces. So it's awesome, and I'm going to continue to do it.
Any words of advice for anybody who's considering checking this out?
Yeah, they need to. It's a great way, and really what it ends up doing is serving your audience, which is most important, and your integrity of who you are, instead of just going for the buy my stuff kind of thing, right? It's people that want to help other people, and they get to know, like, and trust you, and that's the game right there.
Amazing. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thanks for